If you have lost your phone, you can buy a new one. But if you have lost your health, it is gone. Before it's too late, start doing these 3 things to have a better health. Number 1, reduce the consumption of outside food, especially those deep fried, packaged and processed foods. I am not telling you to stop it completely. Maximum once or twice in a week is okay. Second, move your body. If you don't move your body, guess what? Disease will move towards you. It's very important that you should not sit at one place for more than 1.5 to 2 hours. Play some games or do some activities which you like. Minimum you should do is start tracking 7 to 10,000 steps on a daily basis. If you want to be part of 10k step challenge, where there are more than 180 people track steps every single day, comment 10k and I will send you the link to join the group. And third, very important, take care of your sleep, hydration and stress. Never ignore thirst signal. Whenever you feel thirsty, drink plenty of water. On a day-to-day basis, you should do something to manage your stress. And yes, you must have a sleep routine. If you don't have a routine to go to bed and when to wake up, believe me, working on your health is going to be the biggest nightmare of your life. Share this reel in your story so that more people can get impacted.